One of the most frequent and frustrating problems that operators encounter when using a handheld laser welding machine is the issue of wire sticking. This occurs when the filler wire becomes fused to the workpiece and fails to break away cleanly or smoothly once the welding process is complete. So, what are the specific steps we can take to effectively solve this problem and improve your workflow? First, you should carefully check the technology page on your machine's interface and ensure that the selected material type and thickness settings are perfectly matched to your current project. First, ensure that the material type and thickness match the actual workpiece exactly. Also, make sure the specific wire diameter is selected correctly for your project. Setting the proper welding parameters is essential as it helps the machine generate enough power to achieve a smooth and consistent wire break-off. Once you have finished confirming all the correct parameters, remember that your manual welding technique is also very important for a high-quality finish. When welding at a 45-degree angle, do not release the trigger immediately. Take a look very carefully at what is happening. Keep the trigger pressed and lift the welding head backward and upward at an angle. This simple movement helps the wire break smoothly and easily. Try this method to achieve cleaner and more efficient welding results.